In this question, we have to find the 10th term of an AP where an is a plus n minus 1 into d. The formula for finding the nth term: an is the nth term, a is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d stands for the common difference. Now let's have a look at the AP. It contains 2, 7, 12 and so on, an infinite AP. Now we find the common difference between any two consecutive terms. 7 minus 2, we are getting the common difference as 5. 12 minus 7, again 5. And the first term is 2. So D is 5 and the first term is 2. Now let's find the 10th term by applying the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a will be 2. 10 minus 1, it will become 9d. So we put the values, we'll get 2 plus 9 into 5. So it will be 2 plus 9 5s are 45. So the final answer will be 47. 9 5s are 45 plus 2, 47. Which is the 10th term of this AP. Now let's move on to another application of nth term of an AP. Which term of the AP 21, 18, 15 ... is minus 81? It's an infinite AP. Let's begin. An equal to minus 81, nth term. First term is 21. Common difference is 18 minus 21 will be 3 minus 3. Similarly 15 minus 18, so the common difference is minus 3. Now we have a look at the formula. An is a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have an, a and d. N is the unknown here. So we put the values in the formula. Minus 81 equal to 21 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 81, bring minus 21 to the left, equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 81 and minus 21 will be added and it becomes minus 102. And minus 3, bring it to the denominator of 102, equal to n minus 1. Minus and minus gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 34 is equal to n minus 1. This means the value of n will be 34 plus 1, that is 35. So the number of terms of this AP are